If you're sensitive to loud noises like me, listen up.
These are the everyday earplugs called curved. They are supposed to protect your ears from loud environments, or for like me that gets easily triggered by loud noises. It comes with a very well explained instructions. These are the earplugs and they're very lightweight. They seem durable. And inside of the container, it comes with different sizes of tips. You get extra small, small, medium, large. You can easily change them to get the best fit. All you have to do with your thumb, insert, twist until the earplug is flush, quiet, and comfortable. Now to remove them, you slowly twist to remove the seal and you pull them right out. And now to store them, you could place them back into the little container. They also sell separately this silicone carrying case. You just snap it right in. Then you can clip it to your keys, to your bags. If you feel this product is for you, I'll be linking it down below.